This is the only profitable strategy that you need in 2025 to become a consistently profitable trader. All right. So in this video, I'm going to take you guys step by step, whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced trader. This video is going to be of great importance to you. Therefore, I encourage you to actually watch to the very end because I'm going to share very valuable lessons from this video. All right. So let's get started right now. So this is our typical sales setup that we are going to have on a consistent basis. So what are you looking at right now? You have the market that's going to the downside, all right? So making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. And then the market gives you this rally-based stop supply zone. So what is significant about this? You always have to make sure that the candles that make give you the rally-based drop are made up of big momentum candles. These are inefficiency candles. It means that the market is not balanced. So the market usually has to come back and balance that out. All right. So you have to go to the lower time frame, find your order block, and then wait for the market to come to that level right there. And remember, these candles they have to break this structure to the downside. So remember, the bigger the candles, the better, right? So once you have the breakout structure, then you have to wait for some sort of liquidity right here. So it can be in terms of the Asian session, it can be equal highs, equal lows, relative equal highs, it can be trend line. So whatever it is, remember most traders use this as their trading strategies, right? So for example, if we have a trend line liquidity right here. So it means that there's a lot of sellers waiting to sell at the third touch or the fourth touch, right? And then you know that they believe that the more touches a level has, the more likely it's going to hold. However, you and I, from experience, know that the more touches a level has, the more likely it's going to be broken, right? So apart from that, we also have breakout traders, those who want to wait for the market to actually break this liquidity right that we call liquidity right here, break, and then give them a retest, and then actually buy. So there are also these kind of traders who are also waiting at this level. So that's the reason why most of the time you're going to see that the market comes here with big momentum candles because it's being fueled by these people who are both trying to buy and sell, and all these are being liquidated and then giving price that big momentum candles coming to our area right here, and then saying we are able to actually take advantage of that. All right, so it's really important that you wait for all this liquidity to be taken out before you can get involved, right? So it's really that important. Okay, so now the market has come to your area right here. What do you do, right? So there are two things that there are two entry strategies that I've used that are typically used, and I recently made a video about this the confirmatory type of entry right here. So if you've not watched this video, I'm going to link it up above right here. Check it out. So you can see that what we have here is the market tapping into your area, dropping a bit, breaking the structure, and then coming back again to your area, and then before you can see the market going to the downside. So that's what we call a confirmatory entry. So the other type is where just the market comes into your area and then you just wait for a bit of reaction and then execute, and the market continues to go in a direction. All right. So these are the two types of entries that we typically use. However, these have their own advantages and disadvantages. Right? For example, the confirmatory entry will cause you to miss trades most of the time because sometimes this market won't come here back here. It might just come a little bit just here and it continues to move to the downside. You'd have missed out, right? So the advantage is that you'll be able to take less losses because you'll be waiting for those confirmatory entries, right? And then for the aggressive entry, you're going to catch a lot of good trades. However, you're also going to take a lot of losses. So you can't have it both ways. Find something that you're comfortable with and stick with it. That's how I'm going to show you examples later on all the types. So make sure you pay attention and watch to the very end of this video. All right. So this setup appears every now and every on a daily basis. You have this. It doesn't matter whether you're trading crypto, major currency pairs, exotics, you're trading indices, anything. This setup actually works on a consistent basis. And the beautiful thing I love about it is that it has massive risk reward ratio. So it doesn't matter whether I take seven losses out of 10, I'm going to be massively profitable. Even if I only took one winning trade out of 10, I'm still going to be massively profit because I don't take any trade that actually gives me less than 1 to 10 risk reward ratio. That's the beauty about it. So always start from the higher time frame. Find out where is the market going long term. Is it to the downside or to the upside? So if it's going to the downside, you look for selling opportunities. If it's to the upside, you look for buying opportunities. Always trade in the direction of the major trend because that's the path of least resistance, right? So make sure you are trading in the direction of that. Then also remember, go to the lower time frame and actually find the order block on the lower time frame. Remember, a bearish order block in this case is the last bullish candle before the bearish move. So find that order block and then mark it and then take it to the right side. Wait for the market to come to your area. As you are waiting, make sure that remember that the candles that break structure should be big momentum candles because these increase the probability of that trade actually working out because we believe that through data, of course, that there's a lot of unfulfilled orders right here when the market leaves with big momentum candles. Therefore, the market has to come back to that particular area. Price cycle, I'm sure you've heard of it, right? So you have the market consolidating, then we have a break of structure with expansion, then the market retraces and then reversal. Basically, that. All right. So you have to make sure that you wait for all those things. And then right here, you make sure that you wait for the liquidity. Remember, it can be equal highs, equal lows. It can be an Asian session. Make sure you have some sort of liquidity right here because that's going to propel price and everything's going to decide where the market's going to go at the end of the day. This strategy has been back tested, forward tested, and everything. I've been using strategy for the last 4 years, and this has served me well. And I've been showing you guys how I've been able to actually catch beautiful trades in the past. So make sure you do your own due diligence, back test it for yourself. Don't take my words for me. Just back test it and everything. And also, you are going to realize for yourself that this actually works like nothing else. All right, so let me show you. Let me just show you some of the examples of trades we've taken using the same strategy, so that I can solidify your confidence in this particular trade, even as you go to actually backtest your own. All right, so right here you can see that we had a beautiful trade on GBP AUD, where we have a nice rally-based drop supply zone. We have equal highs right here. Then where the market comes and actually taps into an area, drops, and then pulls back again for a confirmed entry, and then the market beautifully dropped to the downside. So this was a confirmed entry. We also have this aggressive entry right we had on Euro NZD right here. A rally based drop supplies on break of structure. We have liquidity. The market taps into our area, and we see the market dropping like crazy. We have also another trade on GBP USD right here. We have a drop based rally. We have liquidity. The market beautifully taps into our area, goes to take profit, and then it just drops like that. Again, we have another trade on Euro NZD as well. We can see that the market gave us these big momentum candles. The market left liquidity right here, taps into our area, then beautifully drops all the way to take profit. Guys, I have hundreds of these screenshots to actually prove to you that that strategy actually works. So talking about that, guys, we are currently running an early Valentine's promotion, 50% off all our services. So if you're looking for our mentorship, instead of you paying $250 for mentorship, lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals, you only get to pay $125, guys, to have lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals, and free trading journal, free trading plan, and a lot more. You have access to me to ask me any questions at any particular time. You can jump on a one-on-one call like that, only for $125 during this promotion. So make sure you take advantage. And if you only want signals, usually we charge $50, but for now we are only charging you guys $25, and then you have signals for a month. And remember, you can pay for multiple months if you want to. And if you want our ebook, which covers strategy, risk management, and trading psychology, check it out right here. It's only costing $25 during this promotion. All right, so you guys, like I've said, I have a lot of screenshots to actually show you. So make sure you check the first link in the description if you'd like to get involved. All right, so guys, this is really a lot right here. Like I've shown you, like we can spend the whole day talking about this because I have a lot. All right, so really, it's my hope that you actually found value in this video. And remember, comment in the comment section to let me know what exactly you've learned from this video. And if you got any questions at all, any questions, drop them in the comment section and I will answer you questions directly from there. All right, and remember the links are down in the description if you'd like to join us and all that. All right, I hope you found value, guys. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, turn on that bell notification so that you get to be notified every time we drop new content. All right, you guys, take care of yourselves. Until next time, goodbye.